Hi, this is Scott Dudley, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at Google Signals, why you need it, how it works, how to set it up, and then what your reports will look like once it's been set up. So, why you need it? Well, without Google Signals, you're missing out on a lot of valuable information in Google Analytics regarding demographic information, so things such as gender, interests, age, and all that sort of stuff. And without it, your reports will be severely lacking information about your users. So how it works is that obviously Google has a lot of different products. For example, Gmail, YouTube, with a lot of users. And within those users, they have a lot of information about each user, their age, whether they're male or female, and their interests, like I was just talking about before. So when you activate Google Signals, Google pulls in that information from its user database and aggregates that into Google Analytics so that you have information regarding your users, not your specific users, but an overall aggregation of what your users are interested in and, whether they're male or female and so on and so forth. So, how to set it up, what you'll need to do is click on the toggle button at the bottom here, Admin. And then we go into Data Settings here underneath the property. And then you want Data Collection. And you'll see here it says Google Signals Data Collection. So you want to click on Get Started. And then it opens up the next screen here. So analytics features are being enhanced to help you better understand your customers across devices using Google data. So this new setting will enable new cross-device capabilities, more insights using Google data, and all existing advertising features. So obviously we're going to click on Continue. And then we're going to click on Activate. And then that will activate Google Signals. And then there's another option down the bottom here that's a bit hidden, User Data Collection Acknowledgement. We just click on that, scroll down, click on I acknowledge. And once you've got the green tick there, it's just a matter of waiting. So this won't, as it says, reporting analysis will only reflect data collected under this setting where there's sufficient traffic for the property. So if you've got a low traffic website, it might take a while for the information to start flowing through. But yeah, there's not too much you can do about that. But then once you've got it set up and you've got plenty of traffic running through your website, eventually, if you go to Reports and then Demographics and then Overview, you'll then start to see the information filtering through. So the users by country, users in the last 30 minutes, that will be there regardless of whether Google Signals is activated or not. But if we scroll down a bit further, it starts to show information about the user's gender. So this is the Google merchandise shop, which they allow us to connect to it as a demo account. So you can see here 62% of their audience are male, 38% are female. And then it's got users by interests. So it's got things such as technology, mobile enthusiasts, media, entertainment, comics, and animation fans. And we scroll down a bit further and it's got users by age, and it's also got users by language. So all of this information here, this is what it pulls in from Google Signals. And if you don't activate Google Signals, then all of this will basically be disabled and it won't show any information. So obviously, there's every reason why you should be setting this up and making good use of the information. There's lots of stuff here that you can dig right into, and it can help you to make better decisions with your marketing. So hopefully that helped. If you've got any questions, then just add a comment down below.